Alright, YouTubers, I got some exciting news for you. If you own a Toyota product, roughly around the ages of 2018, 2019, 2020, a lot of those vehicles came with a screen like this, but only came with Apple CarPlay installed on the screen. And not everybody has an Apple phone. So in this case, I have an Android phone, and I would like to use Android Auto on my factory screen here. Well, the radio only accepts Apple CarPlay, but good news is there's a hack. So I had reached out to Toyota and I was asking questions, why doesn't my 2019 Toyota RAV4 have Android Auto on it? Well, Toyota kind of hinted around and says, try buying this product by Ottocast, and it's a little dongle because you would normally have to plug your car. If you had an Apple phone, you'd have to plug it in every single time to even get Apple CarPlay. In this case, you plug this little piece in here. You plug this little box in. It makes it wireless, so you never have to plug anything into your phone when you get in and out of your car. But you do have to keep this little tiny box just plugged in, and just leave it down there in a little cubby hole, and it's never going to bother you. Then you connect your phone Bluetooth to this box. It'll pull up, and I'll show you the little, what it calls it, like BT, whatever you look for when you're Bluetooth connections. And then it kind of overtakes your factory screen. Go ahead and hit the key there, stay on position. So about the only complaint I have, and it's not really a bad complaint, it takes exactly 1 minute from when you turn your key to fully functioning of where you last left the screen here. So I'm not going to touch any buttons, but in 1 minute's time, it'll go back to where I last had it, the last song I was playing off my phone. Look, it even says the word Android, even though this car does not have. So at this point, if you wanted to do other things, you could go to YouTube. If you had a couple other options there, I think it was like TikTok, a couple other apps were installed if you want to watch videos, because this device is called like, what's it called? It all is called Ottocast Play2Video Pro. So if you do want to watch videos, if you're that person who wants to watch YouTube videos, you can watch Netflix, TikTok stuff. But here it is, the 1 minute mark. It pulls up Android Auto. I last used Waze. Those are my addresses that are saved in here in my Waze, whether it's my home address or my work address, so I can quickly just tap that. That's just an advertisement, but I can't play copyright music anyways. But it's going to last play. I'm going to pause that. But you can see now that I have Android Auto and a factory radio of a Toyota product. So guys, I'm just going to completely recommend this before you say, hey, I need to go out and buy a whole new radio. This little tiny dongle wireless device gets you Android Auto. Guys, I'll put a link in the description below. Usually it's just a hair under $100. I think it's like 80 bucks, 90 bucks for this little piece here. They sell it on Amazon. So like I said, I'll put the link below. Just add it to your cart, purchase it. And guys, you are going to be thrilled. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you like some of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks.